Okay guys, so some of you might have a problem with the capture method and more specifically the DXGI desktop duplication setting. When you have only one monitor, it simply does not show up anything. So how do we fix that? Well, for instance, you can see that in the right part, there we have my second monitor connected, and let's disconnect that from the laptop. Okay, we disconnected it, and now we don't have any capture devices anymore. So what are we supposed to do in that situation? Because we tried to capture this one, let's name it single monitor, whatever, we don't care that much. And as you can see, we do have the capture correctly, expecting the fact that we have the yellow lines over here. And if we change the method to DXGI, it doesn't work. If we change that to Windows 10, it still doesn't work. I looked up on the internet for another method which is called bitbit, yeah, and I couldn't install that. I had a bit of problems, I didn't find it, whatever. So I looked up again on the internet, and I found a pretty interesting stuff, which is this repository, which simply provides you a plugin for OBS that lets you do more stuff. And let's click on that specific link, OBS NDI 490 Windows installer.exe. And when we click on it, we are being shown up this pop-up. And if we go on VirusTotal and check this one out, we will see that it has some potential risks, but it's probably due to the fact that it tries to solve the problem with the security for the lines. Is my best guess. I don't know specifically, but I tried to install it, and other people did too. Though I don't know exactly what happens inside my computer, so it might be nice to keep that in mind, that it might be or not unsecure. Sorry for that. So we're going to install that plugin. As you can see, we still don't have it. So let's install that one out. Yeah. Yes, next. Then we go with next. Install. I'm trying not to cough. I accept the agreement. Then click on next, next, install. Just make sure don't install viruses. Okay, hit finish and finish again. And now in your OBS you should be able to see something which is called well, you don't have it right now because you need to restart your OBS. So let's restart that one. And now when you go to tools, yeah, we go to tools, the first thing we do, and then we go to NDI output settings, and then we call that whatever we want to, and hit OK. And after that we go to single monitor on properties, and then we hit DXGI desktop duplication and hit OK. Nothing still comes. We try to open OBS again to see what's happening. It still has black screen. Then we go on our display settings. We can do that by right clicking on desktop and going to display settings. We go bottom down and hit the graphic settings, and then if you don't have the OBS, just try to locate it so that is the correct path. You can do that by finding your correct path in your computer. This one is in my case, and then you click add, And then when you go to options, you might want to try to find which one might trigger the record control. And I suppose in my case it's power saving, and when I click save, uh, still black screen, and when I restart the OBS, it should take effect. And as you can see, we don't have any more yellow lines, and pretty much it's working right now. I mean, that's what you'd expect it to do, right? And what is more is that we can actually work with our monitors again. It's the same monitor, by the way. And when we go for the second monitor, just let me plug in the cable for the second monitor again. Okay, and it took contact. Okay, and now we should be able to see something, which is that one, I suppose. No. Okay, no. Okay, let me look for that one. So it's the second monitor display. No, that should be it. That should be it. Yeah, the second monitor we want to record, which is that one. That one in the right might need to swap the changes a bit, but I guess you got the point. When you want to record a specific monitor, you just go in the graphics settings and change your OBS options to the correct graphics preference. In my case, I suppose the high performance GPU NVIDIA is for the second monitor, and if we change that again, open OBS again, okay, so this one should be it, and there we have it. It's the second monitor that's being recorded. So to resume a bit, what I've done is to put the correct DXGI desktop application setting for whatever source I have, and I installed that plugin NDI from the repository. I leave a link in the description, and that's how you get rid of the yellow lines if you have a single monitor in your computer. Yeah, that's it.